Looking for the perfect strap and belt covers? Here's what you need to know. The 2-pack Seatbelt Buckle Guard is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants open black lens bracket, high quailty close black lens bracket. Our seatbelt locks are made of high-quality ABS plastic material. Wear resistant, sturdy and durable for long-lasting use. Designed to help you open black lens bracket, universal fit close black lens bracket. With internal dimension is L5, 4 cm x W3, 5 cm x H3, 7 cm. This belt lock fits the majority of standard car seatbelt buckles. Great choice if you need open black lens bracket. Include close black lens bracket, 2X black seat buckle guards, 2X release keys with buckle. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.